Hello guys, let's start immunity 4 part. Okay, so where we left is when the protein is less than 60 angstrom is not a antigen. If it's more than 60 angstrom, it is a antigen. It call our body as antigen, and we also call more than, if it's more than 60 angstrom, then we call antigen, and it should be a protein, and all protein are antigen. Okay, and all antigen made of a protein. Okay, there are the carbohydrate, DNA are antigen, but very less percent, 99.99% is protein is the antigen, and they are the enemy of our body. If is they are smaller, they sit on the albumin, they are clear protein we call heptan. Okay, so let's start now. There are two type of antigen. There are two type of antigen. What are they? There are two type of antigen. One which is from outside of a cell, one which is inside the cell. Okay, one protein which is outside the cell and the protein which is inside the cell. Okay, so let's start with the outside of the, what are they? Outside the protein which is coming from the outside, that antigen, that called extracellular antigen. That called extracellular. That is called extracellular. Extra cellular. Okay, and which is inside from our cell. Our cell, that is that antigen we call intracellular. Remember that. Extracellular, intracellular, they are both different. We talk about first is extracellular. What are they? What are the extracellular antigen? All bacteria which is from outside. Extracellular from extra from cell. Okay, it is not from cell, outside of the cell. Okay, toxin of the bacteria, intracellular organism. Some of they come out from outside, like when they are in the blood, virus in the blood, mycobacteria, fungi, they come first in a blood and then enter the cell. Remember that. They come from the blood and go inside. First it is called extracellular. Okay, we finished the extracellular. Now we are talking about intracellular. What are the intracellular? What are the intracellular? Which is not coming from the blood, which is not coming from the blood, they are coming from our cell. And what are they? Normal cell protein. What do you call? Normal cell protein. Normal cell protein. All protein. See, remember, our body work on protein only. That's it. That is all. Okay, all function done by our body, it is due to protein, nothing else. Because you know from biochemistry that the replication take place, then there is a transcription, then there is a translation. Ultimately, we make our body make protein, and our body function is expression of our DNA. See, whatever the DNA sequence you have, whatever the sequence, your sequence, my sequence is different. Okay, so cancer cell is also a one kind of different kind of protein which is expressed by our body. Whoever have cancer, their expression of DNA is different, and they make a different kind of protein, and that is called cancer protein. And cancer protein is called from a intracellular. Remember that, very important. What is important? See, intracellular organism, sometimes they are from organism also become a intracellular antigen. Virus protein or sometimes become intracellular. Mycobacterium TB also sometimes become intracellular, and fungi. But intracellular, extracellular, what is a big difference in that? Extracellular, which is coming from the blood, outside of means blood, and the intracellular antigen is coming from our cell, inside the cell, from inside the cell. Remember.